Understanding Rover Deployment, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, rover deployment. This phrase is particularly interesting as it combines elements of technology, space exploration, and English language nuances. So, whether you're an English learner, a space enthusiast, or just curious, stay tuned to unravel the meaning of this fascinating phrase. Rover refers to a type of vehicle. Unlike cars or bikes, rovers are usually used for exploring other planets or rough terrains on Earth. The most famous rovers are those used by NASA to explore Mars. Deployment is a term often used in military, technological, and business contexts. It generally means the movement of something or someone to a specific place for a particular purpose. In technology, it often refers to the implementation of a plan or application. So, when we combine these two words, rover deployment refers to the process of sending a rover to a specific location, usually another planet or a remote area, for exploration or research purposes. Let's look at some real-world examples to understand better how this phrase is used. 1. Mars rover deployment. This refers to the various missions by space agencies to send rovers to Mars. These rovers collect data, take pictures, and help scientists understand the Martian environment. 2. Rover deployment in disaster areas. Sometimes, rovers are deployed in areas affected by natural disasters like earthquakes or floods. Here, they help in search and rescue operations, navigating terrains too dangerous for humans. These examples show that rover deployment is a versatile phrase used in different contexts, all involving the positioning of a rover for a specific task. Understanding phrases like rover deployment is crucial for English language learners because it showcases how English evolves with technology and current events. It also reflects how English borrows terms from various fields, like space exploration and technology, making the language rich and dynamic. I hope this video helped you understand the meaning and usage of rover deployment. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding how words and phrases adapt to our changing world. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.